Another common problem is fitting the rear exhaust downpipe. Now this is the stock one. I put this back because I promised a sound check for someone with a stock exhaust with different baffles in the back, or an adjustable universal one. The point is that oftentimes I see people in forums and groups and whatnot wondering why is it so difficult to put the rear downpipe back, because it is a stupid shape. It has to fit in there. There's a little channel there where the exhaust comes up and bolts onto the exhaust header, well, not header, the cylinder head. So yeah, we're going to take a look. Bloody hell, fucking UK weather, that's what winter does here. Right, so I'm doing it this one-handed, mind you, so it won't be simple. So basically this one goes on the bike like that. So this goes to the cylinder head, and this one comes out here, right next to the, basically it comes through and across there where the center stand is, and that is a clue. So you take it, pop it across, again two-handed would be much easier, and then you just feed it up. It's a C-shaped channel and a C-shaped tube. So voila, and all you have to do now is put the flange on, or that one, the mounting collar, shall we say, and then the spacer. Put them together so it holds the flange, and then you insert the gasket into the head, put this fucker on, feed the bolts or the studs through the holes, put the nuts on, job done. So it's not that difficult, just use your head. It's a C-shaped tube in a C-shaped channel, so it has to curve up. Let me put it down. So it is a C-shaped channel and a C-shaped tube. Feed it like that and it will be easy as pie.